Batman is one of the most well-known heroes in the pop culture and everyone knows his story. Bruce Wayne honed his skills and added his tremendous resources to the mix to become Batman. In his 8 decades of existence, there have been multiple versions of him from around the DC multiverse and some of them are downright bizarre. Batman lends himself well to all kinds of situations though, and these iterations have sometimes been in some great stories. Here are top 5 bizarre Batmans. Number 5 is The Gift. A lot of people wondered what would happen if Bruce Wayne never became Batman and used his wealth in other ways. That question was answered in the Gift series, when Booster Gold, wanting to give Batman a unique gift before his wedding to Catwoman, went back in time and saved the Waynes. This caused Bruce Wayne to become a soft billionaire, one who didn't believe Gold when he told him the truth, forcing Gold to go back in time to make sure the Waynes died. There was a version of Batman on this world though, a homicidal Dick Grayson, putting the bizarre cherry on top of the weird sundae. Number 4 is Bat-Mite. While Batman is one of the more serious heroes around, that wasn't always the case. In fact, there was a time when Batman comics were fully of humorous situations, and one of the sources of that was Bat-Mite. Bat-Mite was Batman's version of Mr. Mxyzptlk, an all-powerful imp who committed mischievous acts. The big difference was that Bat-Mite wanted to be Batman of the 5th dimension, dressing up like his ideal and trying to help him, which led to all kind of weird and wacky situations. The character would fall out of watch but still make strange appearances every now and again. Number 3 is The Devil Batman. Grant Morrison's time on the Batman books was a fruitful time for the character. Their gonzo imagination did bring in some weird things though, as Morrison tried to reconcile everything in Batman history into a cohesive history. They did by introducing the Black Dossier, Batman's casebook containing every case he ever went on. One of them involved 3 Gotham policemen conditioned to replace Batman in case anything went wrong. Each lost their minds in different ways, with the most bizarre one basically becoming a satanist trying to destroy the city for the devil. It was a weird and wild story and just went to show the weirdness that could happen to someone not ready to be a Batman mentally. Number 2 is Vampire Batman. Batman goes well in horror stories, so the Elseworlds Red Rain trilogy, where Batman became a vampire, were instant classics. However, that doesn't change just how bizarre the whole thing was. Sure, Batman and his whole MO seemingly mixed well with the vampires, and it was strange that Batman didn't have a plan for dealing with vampirism. For fans raised on the Batman who can overcome anything, seeing him become a vampire and give into his bloodlust is just plain bizarre. The fact he didn't have a contingency plan makes it all the more strange, and while it's a great story, it just feels wrong at times. Number 1 is The Batman Who Laughs. The Batman Who Laughs was the big bad of the DC universe for a couple of years, but the whole thing was pretty bizarre. A Batman from a dark universe where he was given a Joker virus and committed terrible atrocities. He was dangerous, but the whole thing was just so weird. Seeing a skinny evil Batman making the same kind of jokes as the Joker was simply bizarre. Evil Batman aren't exactly the strangest, but just the way the Batman Who Laughs carried himself was what made it so ridiculous. He was evil and threatening, but the whole thing was just so bizarre. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.